hunting, self-defense. When you're boondocking, you can be out in the middle of nowhere, and it's a good idea to be armed. And you want to get an all-around good weapon for that. The AR15 is a perfect all-around weapon. It's great for self-defense, and it's also great for hunting, small game to medium-sized game. Very accurate, durable. This one especially, it's a piston upper instead of the gas impingement system, which means it runs a piston back here to recharge instead of sending gas back into the, which when the gas comes back in here, it fouls it, makes it less reliable. Sort of like an AK-47, everybody wants an AK-47 because it's more reliable, drag it through the mud. This is an AR-15 with an AK-47 gas piston style system. So it's more reliable, you don't have to worry about it as much. Alright, so currently I live in California. I like to call it the People's Socialist Republic of California. Right now, this is legal in California. It's a AR-15 with features. It has a flash suppressor, which is considered a evil feature on an AR-15. It has a pistol grip, which is an evil feature, and also an adjustable magazine. Now, what makes this legal in California currently is the bullet button. I cannot, this mag is permanently affixed to the gun. I cannot press to release it. I need to use a tool. Usually you can use the tip of a bullet. I can just use this Allen wrench. And boom. First thing I ever want to do before I start working on a weapon, make sure it's clear. Anyways, this is a 30-round magazine that's been reduced to 10 rounds, and I pop rooted to the bottom, make a permanently fixed 10-round magazine, so it's legal in California. Alright, so California is giving you 3 options as of 2018. One, I can register this as an assault rifle. If I register this as an assault rifle, I can never transfer it to anybody else. I can never sell it. And frankly, I can only take it to and from a gun range for practice. If I get caught with it anywhere else, it's felony. If I don't have the slip of paper for the registration, it's felony. And currently, California has no anything set up for how they're going to register right now. So you don't even know how you're going to register. Option number 2 is I may get what they call a featureless gun. Get rid of the items that they consider to be the evil features of the AR-15. The pistol grip, the adjustable stock, and the flash suppressor. There's 2 options for that. Number 1 is this one here I purchased already. It's the CQR, and of course instead of a flash suppressor, I'm going to go with a compensator. That'll make it legal. The other option, which I have on order, I have not received yet, is the Survival Zero stock, which is basically this right here. It's not adjustable. Blocks off right down here. It uses its own and screws right down here to the bottom of a normal pistol grip. I'm going to go with both of these for the 2 guns, and then the third option that you can do, the other go featureless, is go with what they call the bullet button 2, which is you won't be able to drop your magazine unless you pull this back pin and breach the gun. And then you can drop the magazine, put the gun back together, pull the pin back in, and then load your next mag, which is going to take a long time. But meanwhile, I'm going to turn this one right now into featureless. What you gotta do is remove the pistol grip. take the spring, set it aside. Make sure you don't lose that. That's a D10 spring for your, and also make sure you don't lose your safety D10 right here. Let's go ahead. Remove your stock, adjustable stock. And I suppose this should slide right in. A little tight, they said. That's fine. Okay. A little bit more. It's there. Needs to be flush. When in doubt, pound it out. Now that I got it pounded into place, just like that. Let's go back here and make sure we get our safety D10 back in where it goes. And we had that spring that we pulled out for the safety spring. It's right here. Now what we're going to need, those are parts that came with the kit. Alright, so this is what's going to hold our safety in there. Alright, last easier. Go there. Alright, so now I got a permanently fixed stock. You notice there's no place for here. Now you can, if you leave it in the state of California by removing these bolts, this center push comes out, and you can go to other states that way. But meanwhile, it's like, if you're right-handed, it's like this. Now if you're right-handed, you're going to need to get an ambidextrous safety. Since I am not left-handed, since I am left-handed, then I don't need to. It's just normal operating procedure for me. There's thing you can't wrap your thumb around. You got to hold it up here, right above the safety. It's not that bad. Still be a good shooter. Now, still one more thing I do. I need to take the flash suppressor off. And put on a muzzle brake. Muzzle brake is legal. Flash suppressor is not. I know. I'm going to yell at me for doing it that way. There you go. Hey, so this gun is over California legal because it does not need the bullet button. It's time to replace the bullet button with a standard mag release. Because now it's completely featureless. I don't need the bullet button. I can go straight to the mag release. Bullet button I have here. I don't want to lose this in case it becomes necessary in some other stupid law that California passes. Alright. So what I like to do is just get started. Get started, just push it. This is how we crank it. Usually, there, just take a tool, sorts, push, I have a standard mag release. Waiting for a place to stick my thumb. Alright. So now we have a completely legal California featureless firearm. Nevertheless, nothing less lethal than anything else I've had, or the way it was configured before. If anything else, it's able to change mags a whole lot quicker now without having to use a tool. If anything, I like it better this way than the way I had it before, because I got rid of the bullet button. And this will be legal as of 2018, so I have nothing to worry about. Last thing I want to do is get arrested again. Previously got arrested for 8 felony counts, possession of assault rifle. They weren't, but the cop didn't know any difference. Most cops are smart and know the difference, and some cops aren't. You know, you got good cops, you got bad cops. 99% of them are good. You got a few that are just over-eager, and that's what this guy was. He was just a little over-eager and wanted to, they jammed me up pretty bad. But now I want to make sure that no matter what I do, just in case, I'm completely 100% legal. And that's what this is, right here. It's a really good, solid gun. Up in piston, upper. Looks like it's going to be a little good shooter. I might have a little extra length. They make extra spacers to make it longer. I wouldn't mind actually getting a spacer for it. I'm going to take it out and shoot it, see how it works. I'm also going to do this one here. I got this ordered, it's on the way. I'll put this on my 300 blackout that I use for hog hunting. We'll see how it works out. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Just so you know, California and legislature, this would not have stopped anything that happened in San Bernardino or any other mass shooting or casualties that happened. All this does is keep an honest man honest, and keeps us people that really like firearms and use them from having the gun the way we want them. Because the people in San Bernardino, they borrowed the guns from a friend, which had the bullet button on it and limited to 10-round magazine, which they got from the store. But they took the bullet buttons off, put the standard mag release just like I just did, and put in 30-round mags. You can't stop criminals from being criminals. So why punish us citizens for being enthusiasts? You know, I was once, when I went to court, I was told the only reason to have this is inherently evil. So whoever possessed one of these must have been inherently evil. So the purpose of this is inherently evil. Obviously that the person that said that never has gone shooting at the range and shot up some particular targets or gone hunting. They don't know. So, anyways, that's my 2 cents. Enjoy.